Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SoFi to Kraken for crypto funding step by step clearly. Open the SoFi app on your mobile device. Log into your SoFi account using your credentials. From the home screen, select the Invest tab. Scroll down to find the option for crypto. Tap on crypto to access your cryptocurrency options. Select transfer to initiate a transfer of funds. Choose withdraw to move funds to another platform. Identify Kraken as your destination for the transfer. If you haven't added Kraken yet, you'll need to do so. Open your Kraken account on a browser or the Kraken app. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Navigate to the funding section in your Kraken dashboard. Click on Deposit and select the currency you want to fund with. Copy the deposit address provided by Kraken for the selected currency. Return to your SoFi app to continue the transfer process. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the provided field. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction and authorize the transfer on SoFi. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few minutes. Check your Kraken account to confirm that the funds have arrived. Ensure that the transferred funds are reflected correctly in your Kraken balance. You are now ready to trade or invest with your funds on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.